Hi, I'm Will from Unleashed. In this video, I'm going to explain tiered pricing, and more specifically, I'm going to discuss the difference between tiered pricing and volume pricing, as these two methods are often used interchangeably. However, as you're going to find out in this video, there is a subtle difference between the two methods. Now, both tiered pricing and volume pricing explain the pricing that we provide to our customers based on a quantity discount. So let's look at an example together. Let's say that we sell bags of cement to our customers. Now, the standard price for these bags of cement is $20 per bag, and that is going to be up to 10 units that they purchase. Now, let's say at 11 units, our customers receive a different price, which would be $18 per bag. Now, under the tiered method, what's going to happen as soon as our customers place an order for the 11th bag, our pricing for all units will drop down to $18. Under the volume pricing method, however, those first 10 units will be sold at $20, which is our standard pricing, and that 11th unit will be sold at $18. So that's the difference between the two methods. Under the volume method, we're going to fill our first tier before we move to the new pricing. Whereas under the tiered pricing, however, as soon as we access a new tier, all pricing is updated to that new price of the next tier. So which is the better method is the question. Now, both methods have their pros and cons, but it all comes down to what you want to provide your pricing to your customers at. The best thing you can do is look at what your software allows for, because generally it's going to have tiered pricing or it will have volume pricing. So the best thing to do, so you don't cause yourself any headaches, is to look at what your software allows for and work within that. So I hope that was useful for you. If you'd like to see that in action in Unleashed, click this link to another short video that I've made. If you'd like to learn more about the software itself, click through to our webinar page for an in-depth tour.